Welcome to Sec Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see Pure Maths P1 Edexcel IAL January 2021 question, quadratic equation, and the topic is quadratic equation and differentiation. Let us see the question. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3 root x minus 5. It has two sections. Part A. Part A is f of x is equal to 9. It is a 4-mark question. Part B is f2 dash x is equal to 6. It is a 5-mark question. So if you know this question, we will score 9 marks. Very simple. Okay. Let us see step by step. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3 root x minus 5. F of x is equal to 9. Okay. What is f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 root x minus 5. F of x is equal to 9. What is the meaning? 2x minus 3 root x minus 5 is equal to 9. 2x minus 3 root x minus 14. How the 14 came? Minus 5 minus 9 equal to 0. This 9 is coming here. 2x minus 3 root x minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay. This is one quadratic equation. There is no ax squared, there is no bx, no x squared. How, and root x is also said. How it is quadratic equation? It is quadratic. How you see? Root x, let you consider, always some questions will come like this. You see this portion and this portion. Okay, that should be 3 or 2. The thing is, here you see it. Here x power of, here x. So it is times 2. Oh, what is our general this one? Ax squared plus bx plus c. Here x power 1, x power 2. If you multiply 2, it is coming. Here x power of, if you multiply, x is coming. For example, I will give the related quadratic equation. These all are the quadratic equations. X power 10 plus x power 5, ax power 10 plus bx power 5 plus c. This is also quadratic equation. It is not the square. How we can? X power 5, x power 10. There is no x power 9 or 8 anything. So this is called quadratic. Let t is equal to x power 5. That's all. Then what will be happen? When t is equal to x power 5, x power 10 is t square. Okay, nothing but x power 10 is x power 5 times x power 5. So it is t square. For example, a x power 2 by 3 plus b x power 1 over 3 plus c is equal to 0. Let t equal to x power 1 over 3. Okay, here what? Let t is equal to root x. So what will be happen? 2t squared minus 3t minus 14 equal to 0. Okay, what is 2t squared? Minus 3t minus 14 equal to 0 means minus 28. AC multiply. Addition minus 3 has to come. So minus 7 and 4. So 2t squared minus 7t plus 4t minus 14 equal to 0. Take t out. 2t minus 7. Here 2 out. 2t minus 7 is equal to 0. 2t minus 7, t plus 2 is equal to 0. T is equal to minus 2, t is equal to 7 by 2. We can finish? No. Because we found only t only. We need x. T is equal to minus 7 by 2. What is t? Root x is equal to minus 7 by 2. So what is x? You are squaring. Here also you have to square. So what will come? 49 by 4. Then the second option, t is equal to 2. What is x? 4. So answers are 49 by 4. How the 4 comes? Minus 2 square is 4. Copy down everything. Okay. Next, for B, they are telling f. What is f of x? F of x is, they are telling 2x minus 3 root x minus 5. They are telling f2 dash x is equal to 6. What is f2 dash x? We have to differentiate. F dash x means 1 time. F2 dash x means 2 times. Okay, differentiate. Before differentiation, always make f of x very clear. Okay. Now, I did only f of x. Then f dash x. 2x, if you differentiate, what will come? 2 only. Okay. Minus. Always differentiations rules, you know that x power n is nx to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Suppose x power 5 means 5x to the power of 4. Some people will get confused. 3x power 5, what to do? 3 times 5x power 4, 15x power 4. Then if it is 2x, what is this? 2x means 2. Actually it is x power 1, 1x to the power of 0. So 2x is 2, suppose. And then if it is constant, 5 means 0. Don't get confused. My students sometimes ask me 3x power 5. For example, 3x power 5. 3 is constant. 3 is not a constant. It is a coefficient of x power 5. It is a coefficient of x power 5. Okay? Okay, this is just I have given the example. Okay, say it. 2x minus 3. X power of is nx to the power of n minus 1. Of minus 1. Okay, minus 5. Minus 5 if you differentiate 0 only. So it is out. X of minus 1 is what? Is equal to minus of. Okay, f dash x is equal to 2 minus 3 times 1 by 2, you write 3 by 2. X power minus of. F dash x is finished. Now f2 dash x. How to do? 2 if you differentiate 0. Minus 3 by 2. X power minus of differentiate. Minus 1 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 4 x power minus 3 by 2. This is the f2 dash x. But they gave f2 dash x is equal to 6. How to do it? We want the x value. Okay, generally you know, some people don't know. You suppose 3x is equal to 8 means what is the x value? If it is multiplication, here you have to divide. Okay, x by 5 is equal to 8 means what we have to do? If it is division, you have to multiply. X is equal to 8 times 5, 40. You suppose if it is 2 over 5, 3 over 5, x means what you have to do? 8. Just this division will be multiplication, this multiplication will be division. In short, we can do reverse of it. Here the same we are doing. X power minus 3 by 2 is equal to 6 times 4 over 3. So 8. X power minus 3 by 2 is equal to 8. Got it? Copy down until now. Okay. This also copied on the example. Some of them don't know. My students are asking sometimes like this, some small doubts also. X power minus 3 by 2 is equal to 8. What is 8? 8 means always you have to remember it is 2 cube. Okay. Okay. Now what we want, x power 1 x. What it is there? Minus 3 by 2. What we want? X power 1. So what we have to do? We need this place 1 needed. So what you will do? Just reciprocal do it. Minus 3 by 2 means minus 2 by 3. You multiply power with minus 2 by 3. Then what will happen? Minus minus will be cancelled. 3 will cancel 2 or 3. Can we do one thing like this? No. We cannot do like this. So when we are doing, we have to give the justice. We have to do right side also the same operation. 2 power 3 minus 2 over 3. So what will happen? X power 1 is equal to 2 power, this 3 will cancel, 2 power minus 2. X power 1 is equal to 1 over 2 squared. X is equal to 1 over 4. Got it? We got it. This also. Copy down until this portion. People are many times making confused. I will give some example how to do it. Okay. Copy. Suppose it is indices. X power minus 1 by 4 is equal to something is there. Suppose is equal to 16 is there. What you will do? Minus 1 by 4 means we need 1 only. Minus 1 by 4 means you have to multiply with minus 4 by 1. Then only it will come. 4 will cancel. Then here also you have to do 16 power minus 4 over 1. Nothing but 16 power minus 4. 16 is 2 power 4. 2 power 4 times minus 4 is 2 power minus 16. Is the answer. Okay, for example, x power 5 by 2. What you will do? Here you have to multiply in which one? 2 over 5. 2 will be cancelled. Here there is no minus, so no need to do minus. 2 over 5. Thank you for watching my videos, my lessons. Keep watching, keep planning.